What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got highs and lows today. So got it running. It does some things. It's not very happy. It's leaking oil almost out of every hole. I'm assuming it's got a ton of blow by past the piston, so I think we're gonna end up tearing it apart. We're gonna send it today, tomorrow, put oil in it. It smokes like a chimney, but it'll it runs. It's not happy with it. Let me see if I can get her to fire off here. It starts so nice though, guys. Look at this. If I can. So nice. And it rides super clean. It just smokes so bad. But it's not happy with it. It doesn't like it. It'll run, it'll ride, but it just, the smoking factor in the oil. It's just throwing oil. There's oil on the camera now. So I think we're gonna end up pulling the other motor. We're gonna end up trying to rebuild this one. We'll see. If this one's not rebuildable, we'll buy a motor. But it at least does ride. We checked it out. Everything works. So we might do a piston and jug on there and try and clean it up a little bit. But just wanted to give you guys an update.